Hello there, everybody on YouTube slash subscribers and Thomas fans. For today's video, to celebrate the 20th anniversary of Calling All Engines, the full-length special. First, here's the original 2005 released from the year 2005. The cover also featured Thomas, Percy, Toby, Emily, Diesel 10, James, and Gordon in the background. So here's the disc. It probably have seen better days, but still in good shape. So here's the back. It's also got song tracks, the story stop, and fun and games. I watched this one a lot ever since when I was a little boy, and it was back then when I was really a huge fan of Thomas' show. So, before I move on to the next DVD, here's a little bit of trivia history about narrations that I remember. The full-length special, which is narrated by the late Michael Angelis in the UK and Michael Brandon in the US. So, it was really fun looking back of some vintage memories from people's childhoods. So, here's another Calling All Engines DVD, but except the cover is a little bit different. One that's got the apple in the background. Really cool. It's got the blue cover instead of a red. So there's the disc. At least this one's still in good shape. The booklet also got Hero of the Rails DVD and some vintage Trackmaster Thomas trains that used to have from way back around 2009. And there's some wooden Thomas trains and some books. I miss one of these. So here's the back of this DVD. Songs are very much the same. A little bit different bonus features, like the bonus episode. Some bonus right here, like Fireman Sam paper playing down. Really cool. So this DVD came out since 2009. So yeah. So there's quite a difference between the original 2005 release and the 2009 release. So, at the time, Series 9 of Thomas also aired in 2005 as well, after the Calling All Engines were released. And did you know that Lady the Golden Engine and Diesel 10 returned for the full-length special after about 5 years after the Magic Railroad movie? They come a long way back then. Even back then, when they're skyrocketing at the time. So, now, I have to say, it's been like 20 years ever since that full-length special first aired and came out, especially when it got released by Hit Entertainment around that time. So, nowadays, the Railway series have now celebrated the 80th anniversary this year, and then Playro also released one of the battery-operated trains, like James with some tar wagons, Percy with some mail cars with the envelopes, along with the Gold Thomas, and along with a Railway series version of Play Route Thomas. Really cool, isn't it? So, yeah. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos that you might be interested in. And also, thanks for the support and 812 subscribers. I really appreciate that. Hopefully, I'll see what I'll come up with next. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and bye for now. And I'll stay tuned for more videos. And bye-bye.